Welcome back to Those Wildlife Wonders. Today we're going to answer the ultimate question, why do wolves howl at the moon? And we'll also take a deep dive into their social structures and behaviors. Let's get started. For thousands of years, wolves have been revered as powerful and enigmatic creatures. Their haunting howls have echoed through the night, leaving us both intrigued and slightly terrified. But what if I told you that these eerie sounds could reveal secrets about wolf society, a society not so different from our own? In this episode of Those Wildlife Wonders, we are going to uncover the mystique of wolves by exploring their complex social structures and answering once and for all the age-old question, do wolves really howl at the moon? Our journey begins with understanding a wolf's social life. Wolves are not solitary creatures. They thrive in packs led by an alpha male and female. These packs are not just a random assortment of wolves. They are tightly knit families consisting of parents and their offspring from several generations. The pack is their world. It provides them with companionship, protection, and most importantly, a sense of belonging. Just like humans, wolves form strong bonds with their pack members, communicating with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including the ever-intriguing howl. But why do they howl? Is it a call to the moon as many legends suggest, or does it serve some other purpose? To answer this question, we must first understand the structure of a wolf's vocalization. When most people hear a wolf's howl, they picture a lone wolf standing atop a hill, its voice echoing through the valleys. However, the truth is more intricate. Wolf vocalizations are not random outpourings of emotion. They are carefully constructed messages with specific meanings. One of the most famous wolf vocalizations is the long-range howl, which can be heard up to 5 miles away. This howl is typically used for communication over long distances. Imagine you are a wolf separated from your pack while hunting. The long-range howl becomes your lifeline, a way to signal your presence and whereabouts to your family. Your howl carries information about your location and potentially even your emotional state. Similarly, if a predator such as a bear were to approach, a wolf might use a long-range howl as a warning to its packmates, alerting them to the danger. In this scenario, the howl acts as a distress call, a desperate message for help. Now let's consider another type of vocalization, the play bow. As the name suggests, this vocalization is used during play. You might have seen dogs doing a similar behavior, lowering their front end to the ground and raising their rear end while making a distinct sound. This is their way of saying, I'm about to engage in play behavior. In wolf society, the play bow serves a similar function, a clear indication that the wolf intends to engage in playful behavior. It is a way for wolves to communicate their non-aggressive intentions and set the tone for a fun interaction. Next, we have the greeting howl. This is the vocalization wolves use when they reunite with pack members after being apart. Think about the joy and excitement you feel when you are reunited with a loved one after a long time. The greeting howl is much the same, an expression of happiness and a way to reinforce the bond within the pack. This particular vocalization highlights the importance of social bonds in wolf society. Wolves aren't just solitary hunters. They are highly social creatures who value their connections with others. Finally, let's discuss the unique vocalization that has captured human imagination for centuries, the song. The wolf song is not merely a howl, but a complex series of vocalizations that convey important information about the pack and its territory. It is essentially a form of identity, a way for wolves to say, this is our pack and this is our land. Wolf songs can last for hours and are performed by both male and female wolves. This elaborate vocalization serves multiple purposes. Firstly, it reinforces the bond between pack members. By singing together, wolves reaffirm their unity and strengthen their group cohesion. Additionally, the song acts as a territorial announcement, a clear message to other packs that this is their space. It's like putting up a sign that says, "Keep out" in wolf language. Now that we've decoded some of the wolf's most intriguing vocalizations, it's time to tackle the big question. Do wolves really howl at the moon? The answer may surprise you. While howling is indeed one of their primary forms of communication, wolves don't specifically target the moon with their howls. Instead, their howls are directed towards their pack members, their calls echoing through the night sky, carrying messages of love, play, warning, or song. But why then have so many myths and legends grown around the image of the wolf howling at the moon? One reason is that wolves often vocalize at night. Their howls can carry for miles, and in the absence of light pollution, their calls can be heard even further. This means that for many of us, a wolf's howl is most likely to be heard at night, reinforcing the association between wolves and the darkness. Additionally, wolves are crepuscular, meaning they are most active at dawn and dusk. These times of day are known as twilight, which in German translates to wolf time. This biological behavior further contributed to the mystical aura surrounding wolves. Another contributing factor is the wolf's elusive nature. Wolves are highly adaptable and generally avoid human contact. This makes them somewhat of a mystery to us, and we've filled in the blanks with folklore and mythology. The combination of their nocturnal habits, elusive nature, and haunting calls has resulted in the enduring image of the wolf as a creature of the night, forever linked to the moon in our collective imagination. Understanding wolves is crucial for fostering coexistence. Despite their wild reputation, wolves play a vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. They are apex predators, meaning they sit at the top of the food chain in their habitats. This position gives them a significant impact on their environment. By preying on herbivores, wolves help control animal populations, ensuring that no single species dominates the landscape. This, in turn, helps to preserve biodiversity. Moreover, wolves are scavengers, which means they will consume dead animals. This scavenging behavior prevents the spread of diseases and keeps the ecosystem clean. However, human activities such as habitat destruction and poaching have led to a decline in wolf populations worldwide. This decline has had ripple effects on the ecosystems they inhabit, disrupting the balance that they help maintain. Conservation efforts are underway to protect wolves and their habitats, recognizing the vital role they play in our planet's biodiversity. In today's world, it's easy to view animals like wolves through the lens of our own human experiences and emotions. We might anthropomorphize them, meaning we project human characteristics onto these animals. For example, we might assume that a wolf's howl is an expression of loneliness or sadness. But as we've learned, wolves howl for various reasons, and their songs are far from a lament. Understanding their behavior and motivations is key to appreciating their place in the natural world. So the next time you hear a wolf's howl echoing through the night, remember that it's not just a sound. It's a message, a story waiting to be understood. Whether it's a call to a pack mate, a greeting to a returning member, a warning of danger, or simply a playful invitation, each howl is a thread in the rich tapestry of wolf society. The study of animal behavior is a fascinating field, and by delving deeper into the lives of animals like wolves, we not only unravel the mysteries of the natural world, but also gain a deeper appreciation for the beauty and complexity of the animal kingdom. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and always remember, there's more to a wolf's howl than meets the ear. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Those Wildlife Wonders. If you enjoyed learning about wolf behavior, I encourage you to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments section below. Your engagement helps to fuel our passion for creating more engaging and educational content. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you haven't already. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and always remember to stay curious. We'll see you soon with another captivating episode.